Looking for an adult kick scooter but overwhelmed by the choices? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Grenix Kick Scooter. Priced at just $54.99, what caught my attention was its lightweight and foldable design, making it super portable. If you want an affordable scooter that's perfect for commuting or just having fun with friends, this is worth a serious look. This scooter is designed for everyone aged 8 and up with a maximum weight limit of 240 pounds. It features 8-inch wheels that provide a smooth ride on various terrains, and the dual brake system ensures you can stop quickly and safely. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of hand and foot brakes gives you better control, especially in busy areas. With over 600 bought in the past month, this scooter is making waves. The adjustable handlebar heights from 30 inches to 40.5 inches mean parents and kids can share this scooter comfortably. The anti-puncture tires and wide platform provide stability and reduce the risk of accidents, which is crucial for peace of mind. Now, some people complained about its weight limit feeling limiting for larger riders. Here's the thing though. If you're around that weight range, this scooter still offers fantastic value and safety features, making it a solid choice for most users. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a family-friendly scooter for both kids and adults. Skip this one if you need something specifically built for heavier riders or extreme sports. At this price point, it offers excellent value for money. Now, if the Grenix's weight limit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a higher capacity and even more features.
Product number 2, the Commute Kick Scooter, priced at $59.99. What stood out to me was its CPSC certification, which means safety is a top priority. If you want a reliable scooter for both kids and adults, this scooter deserves your attention. This scooter supports a weight limit of 240 pounds and features 8-inch wheels for a smooth ride. The wide, non-slip deck provides stability, which is great if you're using it in crowded parks or busy streets. Here's why this matters for you. The shock absorption means less wear on your joints, so you can enjoy longer rides without discomfort. With over 300 sold recently, it's clear people are loving this model. The quick folding mechanism is a game saver, letting you go from folded to ready in just 3 seconds. That's perfect for busy schedules or spontaneous outings. Plus, it comes fully assembled, so no headache there. Some users mentioned that it can feel a bit bulky when folded, but honestly, it's not a deal breaker if you're looking for stability and performance. This scooter is still a fantastic choice for daily commutes or fun days out. This is perfect for you if you want something safe for both kids and adults. Skip this one if you prefer something that's ultra compact, since the bulkiness might not suit everyone's tastes. Given its features, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to stay active. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smooth rides.
Product number 3, Aero Mobility Kick Scooter. The third scooter on our list is the Aero Mobility Kick Scooter, priced at $83.99. The eye-catching light-up wheels drew me in right away. If you want a stylish scooter that's safe and smooth, this one is definitely worth considering. Designed for riders aged 8 and up, this scooter supports a weight limit of 220 pounds. The dual braking system, combining a foot brake with a handbrake, offers enhanced safety, which is crucial for urban riding. The 8-inch wheels come with built-in shock absorption, making it easier to handle bumps and uneven surfaces. Here's why this matters for you. You'll feel more confident riding over curbs or potholes without worrying about losing control. With over 200 sold recently, it's gaining popularity. The wide 5.5-inch deck allows for comfortable riding, and the low deck height means you won't strain your legs while pushing. Plus, it's foldable, making storage a breeze. Now, some users have pointed out that the light-up wheels are a bit noisy. Here's the thing, they do add a fun element for kids and can enhance visibility, making it safer to ride in the evening. This scooter is perfect for you if you want a stylish option with great safety features. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or need a more serious commuter model. For the features it offers, the price is pretty reasonable.
All right, let's move on to something a bit more robust for taller riders. Product number 4, Razor A5 Lux Kick Scooter. We have the Razor A5 Lux Kick Scooter priced at $99.99. I was really impressed by the extra-large urethane wheels designed for a super smooth ride. If you want something that feels premium under your feet, this is a great option. This scooter supports riders up to 220 pounds and features adjustable handlebars, which is fantastic for taller riders. The 8-inch wheels provide stability and comfort, absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces. Here's why this matters for you. It allows for a more enjoyable ride, especially if you plan on using it for longer distances. With over 200 sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. The aluminum T-tube is incredibly sturdy, and the foam grips provide a comfortable hold while riding. The bold graphics also add a fun touch, making it appealing for all ages. Some users mentioned that it might feel a bit heavy when carrying. Honestly though, the sturdiness of this scooter makes it a worthwhile trade-off for consistent performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something stylish yet functional. Skip this one if you want something ultra lightweight or need a scooter for younger children. For the quality, it's not a bad investment at all. Now, if you want something even taller and more spacious, let's talk about our final product. Product number 5, the Razor A6 Kick Scooter at $148.14. What really caught my eye was that this scooter is designed for taller riders with extra tall handlebars. If you want something that grows with you, this is the right choice. This scooter also supports a weight limit of 220 pounds and features ultra-large 10-inch wheels that make for a smooth ride. The adjustable handlebars rise up to an impressive 42 inches, which is perfect if you're taller than average. Here's why this matters for you. It means you can ride comfortably without feeling cramped, making it great for longer rides. With over 100 sold recently, it's getting good attention. The anti-rattle technology ensures a quiet ride, and the rear fender brake allows for smooth stops without abrupt halts. It's also foldable, making it easy to store. Now, some customers have expressed concerns about the price being a bit high. Here's the thing though. With the features and durability it offers, you're getting a quality scooter that will last. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable option that accommodates taller riders. Skip this one if you're on a budget, as the price may be a stretch for some. Given its features, it's a solid investment for serious riders.
So there you have it, 5 excellent adult kick scooters to consider. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Grenix kick scooter because it's affordable, lightweight, and perfect for families. Avoid the Razor A6 if you're on a budget, as it might be a little costly for what you get. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.